Hello, welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm going to share with you what we are getting our kids for Christmas this year and each other as a minimalist family. When I first started researching becoming more minimal and decluttering, I became pretty strict with the thought process that I didn't want anything to enter our house and I didn't want to be wasteful, and I became pretty extreme. I don't think I shared it with anybody, but personally, I just became kind of extreme with not wanting anything to enter our house. With that way of thinking, at least for me, it robbed the joy of the Christmas season and birthdays and things like that. So since getting into this lifestyle, I've adjusted the way I think about things, and I've just relaxed a lot and realized that there will always be items coming into our house and eventually we won't need them anymore or they'll get worn out, and that's just life. But we have significantly cut down on the amount of items that we do get each other and our kids. There's a little saying, I didn't make this up, I found it online. It's something you want, something to wear, something to read, something you need. It goes along those lines. So that is what I'm using to judge what I get my kids this year. I really like that. This is the first year where I have bought everything online. I will have links for everything in the description box below, just in case you want to know the prices or what the items are in more detail. One item I'm getting each child is, it's a 2-pack Melissa and Doug Paint Your Own Car. I love this because it's a craft that we can all work on together, and then at the end they have a little car that they've made themselves, they've painted themselves. So this is a gift that I love because it will take time and it uses their imagination. So this is something I got and it was very, very affordable, and they will be very excited to work on this Christmas Day. My 5-year-old is getting this Star Wars Lego set. He already has a ton of Lego, but that is what he loves. He loves Lego. He loves putting it together, following the instructions. I feel that Lego is super educational, so I'm fine with the fact that we're buying another tiny Lego set for him to put together, even though we have a ton and we technically don't need any more. But this is what he really wanted, so that is his gift that he's getting. That's a want type gift. For our family as a whole, I decided to get us a tablet. We do not have a family computer. I have my own computer, and then my husband has his phone that's connected to the internet. And then I have a personal tablet that I don't want anyone messing up. So I decided to get a family tablet. This could be something that the kids could do educational programs on, and then my husband can use as well. So this is a family gift. Here are the clothing items for my 5-year-old. He wanted a puffer vest, so I got him this. This is an Amazon Essentials vest. It seems to run kind of big, I think. So we'll see if this fits him. The other piece of clothing I got is a long sleeve t-shirt from Target. This is the Cat and Jack brand. I did buy this in person because I thought it was very cute and he actually really needed more long sleeve t-shirts. We live in Southern California, but this winter has been really, it's not even winter yet, but it's been really cold so far. So we have needed way more long sleeve shirts, sweaters, jackets than we've ever needed in the last 5 years. And we just weren't prepared. So these two are definitely necessity items that he does need. And the last two items I got for my 5-year-old are these 2 books. It was a buy one, get one free at a secondhand children's store. And this is the perfect gift for him. Besides going with that poem, something to read, he is learning how to read, so I do want to get more chapter books that we can have on hand to read. The only other thing that my 5-year-old requested is a remote control car from Santa Claus. So hopefully Santa Claus comes through with that remote control car. I think he will. So that will be something that we'll be counting on as well in his gift pile. So altogether, that comes out to about 5 items for my 5-year-old, which I think is the perfect amount for him. I am completely fine with 5 to 10 new items coming into our home. We did do a quick declutter in November, and I will link that video down below in anticipation for this holiday season. Right now, my 3-year-old is really into this big Bruta, I think is how you say it, fire truck we have. We ended up getting him this Playmobil Police Car. I think this is good because Brooder, if I'm saying that right, is meant for older children, and this will be the perfect age for him. It does say 4, but he's 3 in a few months, and I know he's pretty capable of playing with this type of stuff. He'll also be getting one of these that I mentioned before for the painting and making your own car. Lastly, I got him this nice long sleeve t-shirt. It's again from Cat and Jack from Target. It was $7, and I think it might have been on discount, but I found this, and this is the perfect clothing item for him. And I was going to get him some books, but then one of our friends gave us a ton of learn to read books, probably 15 or more of those thin little books that my 3-year-old just loves to have us read to him. And then I know for a fact my parents are getting him quite a large gift. So from us, he's getting about 3 items. As for the gifts between my husband and I have a feeling I won't be getting anything because we normally don't get each other anything. And then also the tablet is the family gift for all of us. So that is how we are dealing with Christmas this year as far as gifts go. I mentioned in my Christmas decor video, which I will link down below, that a year ago I made these reusable gift bags. They just have a little tie that you can pull like that. They're all kind of a sack form that I made. And then I just took some paper that we already had and some twine, and I just put each child's name on each bag. And these worked out perfectly last year. So I have quite a few of them. This is all the gift wrapping I have. They're all in here, and they're all different sizes, small, medium, large. So this is how I'm wrapping our gifts this year. And really it creates no waste at all because I reuse these bags every single year. And this is all I have to store for Christmas wrapping, and I absolutely love that. And I love the fact that I don't have to go and spend a whole bunch of money each year on paper that can't be recycled and is just going to go straight into the rubbish bin. Now that I've showed you everything we're getting for Christmas, I'm going to wrap these gifts. And thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I hope you have an amazing Christmas, and I'll see you next time. Bye.